Axis TLB, Novel Tension Leg Buoy for floating offshore turbines. The EU foresees 60 gigawatts of offshore wind by 2030 and 300 gigawatts by 2050. To achieve this target, 80% of installations will need to be in deeper water where traditional bottom-fixed turbines are not viable. This creates enormous opportunities for the floating wind industry as technology must develop rapidly. Axis Energy Projects has developed a novel tension leg buoy for floating offshore turbines based on the technology they originally developed for the oil and gas industry over 20 years ago. The system consists of a subsurface buoy that supports the turbine, fixed by tensioned tethers to a modular gravity-based foundation on the seabed. The tension leg buoy can be deployed from depths of 50 to hundreds of meters and is suitable for areas with harsh environmental conditions. Tank testing of a scaled 10 megawatt turbine with an overall height of 200 meters was carried out in a North Sea 100-year storm scenario with hurricane-force winds and a maximum wave height of 21 meters. Even in this scenario, the turbine tower remained vertical with an impressive maximum pitch and roll of only 1.5 degrees. The tension leg buoy's design minimises the steel structure's weight, fabrication costs, and its carbon footprint, while maximising turbine stability. Environmental benefits include a relatively small seabed footprint and no need for piling, jack-up, or heavy lifting vessels. The technology could reduce foundation costs by 25 to 30%, reduce energy costs from floating wind by 10 to 15%, and create thousands of fabrication, installation, and operational maintenance jobs in the UK.